orca. The killer whale is the largest member of the family Delphinidae, the dolphins. Even though they live in the ocean, killer whales are air-breathing, warm-blooded mammals. An average-sized adult male killer whale, called a bull, is about 5.8 to 6.7 meters long. That's about 19 to 22 feet. It weighs between 3,600 and 5,400 kilograms, or about 4 to 6 tons. Females, called cows, are smaller. Killer whales have a striking black and white color pattern, a type of disruptive coloration. In the sea, this contrasting pattern may obscure the outline of a killer whale by contradicting the whale's body shape. Through the flickering, filtered sunlight of the ocean, other animals may not recognize the killer whale as a potential predator. The killer whale has a prominent dorsal fin on its back. The dorsal fin is made of dense, fibrous, connective tissue. It can be as high as 1.8 meters or 6 feet on an adult male. Dorsal fins come in all sizes and shapes. Bent dorsal fins are seen on killer whales both in the wild and in zoological environments. The forelimbs of a killer whale are flippers. A killer whale's flippers have all the skeletal elements of the forelimbs of plant mammals, including humans. Forward motions produced by the whale's tail flips so powerful they can propel the killer whale to bursts of speed as fast as 45 kilometers or 28 miles per hour. Like the dorsal fin, the roots are made of connective tissue, not bone.
It's a funny guy.
Killer whales inhale and exhale through a blowhole on the top of the head. When a whale's powerful exhale begins, any water on top of the blowhole is forced up with external respiratory gases, and sometimes you can see this water. A killer whale can hold its breath for more than 5 minutes, and occasionally more than 15 minutes in a single dive.
What the?
Closely at the killer whale, you can see its eye, just behind the mouth and just below the white vocal patches. Killer whales can see both in and out of the water. Land covers the eyes secretes jelly-like mucus that lubricates the eyes and washes away debris. Behind the eye are small
Shouka.
However, most self-perception probably takes place through the lower jaw rather than through the ear canal.
Shouka. It's great. I think. Aww, they're pals.
An echolocated killer whale can determine not only the presence of an object, but also its size, shape, and even distance.
Excuse me.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Who the heck?
These socially stable groups called pods are consistent of male and offspring. Killer whale pods may include 2 or 3 generations.
Oh my god.
The males rank themselves and establish dominance by slapping their tails against the water, headbutting, jaw snatching, fighting, breaking, which is scratching, and various other vigorous postures and gestures. Their diets vary from one region to another. As a group, they feed on a wide variety of fishes and marine mammals. They often hunt cooperatively, working together to encircle and herd small prey. Pods of killer whales have even been observed attacking and eating larger species of whales. Killer whales sometimes slide off beaches and ice boats in pursuit of prey, or bump ice boats from below to knock prey into the water. Healthy adult killer whales have no natural predators.
Hey, what's that?
Female killer whales become reproductive and mature at about 6 to 10 years of age. The gestation period for killer whales is about 17 months, nearly twice as long as for humans. While the calf grows inside its mother, an umbilical cord transports nourishment and oxygen. Calves are born underwater and must immediately swim to the surface to take their first breath. Typically, calves are born feet first, but some deliveries are head first. Killer whales live in all oceans and are most abundant in colder waters. They are found